How are you?
I'm good. How are you, sir?
I'm also good. Okay, let's start. And today we have to do again the same thing like that project.
Okay,
Yeah, because lot of part of it was remaining, right?
correct. Yeah.
Yeah, let's first do that. Yes. So if you remember, we have done this update student, right, in the last class.
Yes, we did that.
Yes, updating how to update the student. First we were finding the student and then we were updating the age, course, marks, and everything. Okay, just to have a little bit of revision, let me show you what this is all about. I'm talking about this code which we just did as a mini project.
Hmm.
So it is student database management system, and here we can add student, view student, search, update, delete, stats, exit. Suppose you want to view the student, so you can press 2. So there is no student, and then you can add the student. So available courses are Python, Java, C++, AI. You can write your name and your age, course, marks, and city. So you can see the student is added successfully now, right?
Hmm.
So
Hmm.
after that you can view the student too. Can you see the student?
Yes.
Yeah, so this is okay. So earlier we have done the logic of add student, view student, search student, update. Now today we have to do delete, stats,
Hmm.
and exit, right?
Okay.
These three things we will do today. Okay, so delete the student. How would delete a student? So if the option is 5, then it will take a user name. How to delete? See, for deletion you have to press 5. 5. First it will ask the name of the student, right? So it will take the name of the student. Suppose you write Saurabh, and then it will say student deleted successfully. So because then what it will do for student in students, you already know student is the one of our list, right? Remember?
Yeah. So the first student is the list. The second one is the dictionary.
Yes, right. See this. This is we are having the one of the list, right?
Correct. Yes.
Yeah.
Within the list, then we have dictionaries. We can have more than one dictionary.
Yes, correct, correct. You are correct. So basically, inside the list, we are having a lot of dictionaries, right?
Hmm.
So we are going through all the dictionaries by doing this for student in students. And for that first dictionary or all the dictionary one by one, I'm checking the name. If the name is same as something we are searching for, then it will students dot remove. So dot remove is one of the function of list which you can remove by the that particular element. You just have to pass that element and this will remove. Okay.
Okay, so it's going to remove the overall dictionary, not
Yeah, the whole dictionary of that particular name which you are searching only.
okay. So is this mean like like can we do only deleting one value?
Oh, basically, yes, correct. One value, but suppose you are having a list and you are having a lot of, like dictionary into it. So suppose if it matches for the first dictionary, suppose Saurabh is in the first dictionary, then it will remove the first one only. But all the information of the first dictionary, like name, age, marks, subject, course, everything.
So it's basically like removing or deleting a dictionary, not not one value.
Yeah, deleting this dictionary means deleting everything of that particular student.
Okay.
Yeah, that is dot remove.
Okay. Instead of student, if we provide any one value, it's going to still delete the overall student information.
Which value?
For example, we have one student. It has like 4 5 values. For example, name, last name,
Mm-hmm.
age, stuff more, and then
Mm-hmm.
instead of student, we are going to say student, and then we provide only last name, delete only last name, keep the remaining information.
Oh, okay. Only the last name. No, no, no. That is not possible. You can do it. It's not like that we cannot do it. We can do it, but that will make this project very complicated.
Okay.
Yeah, you can do it. No problem. What you just have to do in that case, if that name matches, then you have to get all the information of that dictionary, and
Mm-hmm.
you can only select that dictionary, and you can how we can remove the item from the dictionary. Do you remember?
We had like three options by
Yeah,
removing, by deleting, by
in dictionary, dictionaries, dictionary language, look into dictionary, update item, key values.
we have clear, delete, pop.
Yeah, so we have pop, we have delete, we have clear.
So in here, see, it's only removing the age. So can we do like only removing the age
Yeah,
in
you
our
can do it.
project?
Yes, you can do it.
Okay, okay,
Why not? You can do it, but I'm not doing it just because it will make the things complicated.
okay, okay.
So in that case, you have to do student. If you find it student dot pop, and whatever information, suppose age, you want to remove the age, you can do it. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, just 1 minute.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, then you can print student deleted successfully. Student deleted successfully, and you can use this found variable. Initially it is false, and then you can make it true, and then you can break it so that it will not keep on finding the elements even after it gets one. So if it is getting one, it will do its work and it will break the whole loop, so it will not search for second student. That's why
Okay,
we are
if
doing
we
the
do not
break.
okay, if we do not provide the brick, is it going to delete the second student as well, or just looping?
Yeah, basically, suppose if that Saurabh, so for example, Saurabh is
Mm-hmm.
found in the second in the list. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so it will maybe, yeah, so it will delete as Saurabh also. And if you will not use break, it will look for the third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and other students also. So that thing we do not want, right?
So
Because
it's going to loop. Okay, it's going to loop only in this one dictionary, or it can move to the next dictionary as well.
no, for loop means like going to all the dictionaries.
Okay.
Yeah, so but we only want once one it gets, he has to
Correct.
delete it and stop.
Yes,
We
correct.
do not want it to go to other 100, 200 students, something like that, right? Because your task is already done. Now you have to break.
Correct. Yes.
Yeah, because if you will not stop it, it will take a lot of time, like to do these all this. So right now our program is very small, that's why it's not taking time. But for example, suppose there is 10,000 students, then
Mm-hmm.
it will be a lot of difficulties, right?
Yes.
That's why we are using break. Okay, then you can use if found is equals to false. Yeah, if found is still false, then you can
Mm-hmm.
say student not found. But if it is found, change the value of found to true. Okay, so we are using it, this variable, so we can run it.
Okay, that means once we delete it, if the second time we run it, since it's not found, it's going to print student not found. Correct?
Yeah, but it's not like we have to go for the second, we have to search for second time. It is for the same run. For
Yeah,
example,
correct.
if you are searching, Saurabh is not there. If you are searching for
Correct.
John, okay,
Correct. Uh-huh.
so it will search for all the Johns and it will not find. Okay, so the value of found will be false, and it will go through all the student, and it will not find it. And so if the value found is still false, it will say student not
Mm-hmm.
found. Okay,
Correct. Yes. Yes.
because there is nobody to change this value to true. This will not run because it's not found, right?
Yeah, it's not found. Yeah, correct.
Yeah, so this is the instance. Next is statistic. If it is 6, digit is 6. So we can say you can print that statistic. Just one minute. Yeah, so statistics and total student length of the student, so it will give us, okay, what length of students will give us?
Uh, the number of students.
How? What is
Oh, you mean
students?
how student itself is a list,
List of,
a list of dictionaries, since we are working with
yeah,
dictionaries.
so length of students means how many dictionary we are having. If it is 10, the
Correct.
length will be 10.
Yes.
Okay, so if length of the student is greater than 0, then it will do all of its work. Oh my god, very big code. Okay, if the number of student is more than 0, then it will get the students, the first one's marks, which is highest, and student 0 lowest, and total will be 0. Student name will be topper. For student in students, if student marks, student marks, it will keep on adding the student marks total, and just 1 minute. So highest, if the student marks, that student marks is highest, greater than highest, then that student marks will be the highest and topper value will be the student. And if the student marks is the lowest, uh, less than the lowest, then student mark will be set to the lowest, and it will the total number of marks that is here will be divided by the length of the student, so it will be average. So for all the students, and so highest marks, lowest marks, average marks, topper, unique cities. So are you able to understand what they are doing here?
Not yet, not.
Okay. So basically they are making the statistics. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, statistics means you can say they will present the highest marks, the lowest marks, and the average marks, and the name of the topper. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So this is the statistic. Try to understand this one. If okay, so see this function if will only run if there is,
Okay, a number greater than 0.
yeah, it means there if there is some student, then only it will work. Okay,
Okay.
if there is no student, then if there is 0, then no student data available, else part. But if it is there, if there is more than 1 0, then it is just simple if else. Wait, can you hear me?
Yeah, yeah, I do, I do. I'm just watching, like, I'm just trying to understand the code.
Oh, okay, okay.
Yeah, here, yeah, yeah, don't worry.
So yeah, what do you think? This if length of the student is greater than 0, what's the meaning of it?
So it means if there is at least one student, like
Yes,
the number of
correct.
student. Yes,
Yes, correct. So if this become false, then
it will say like no students are available. Like no, since there is no student, of course it like
correct, correct,
print the else part.
correct. See, to find highest, lowest, and total, you need
Mm-hmm.
you need actually any one data of a student, right? You can assume
Correct.
first student,
Uh-huh.
right? Student 0. Whenever you are comparing,
Okay. So in here we don't have any marks. What it will print
so basically it
since
is. You said what you said?
I said we don't have any number in here, any marks. What it should print. Since it's looking for number, correct? It's like highest marks, then looking for the lowest mark, then it's looking for the total, and then it's going to decide which student is the topper.
Basically, for comparison, what they are doing, what they are doing, it is taking the first student's mark as a you can say as a reference. Before you can compare, you need at least one mark.
Correct, yes.
Yeah, this is what they are doing. They are assuming that the first student marks is the highest. and the first student marks is lowest. They are assuming so that they can compare. Okay, and total also they are assuming 0.
Okay, so let's print this one. Let's run this code.
Yeah, I will
I
try.
want,
It will work very well whenever we are having two students. Let me add the two students first of all.
okay.
One and here the and is 21 post 5 testing marks you can use 80. Okay, second student is me. uh, source AI marks you can say 7. City you can say Delhi. Okay, now how many students? Let's see. Yeah, you can see
Okay.
how many
We
students
have
we are
two
having.
students.
Yeah. So now let's do the statistics. Six.
Mm, correct.
So you can see statistic is total two students is there. Highest is 87 and lowest
Mm-hmm.
is 77 and average is 82.0 and
Mm-hmm.
topper is Wahida, right? And unique cities
Mm-hmm.
are these two.
So I couldn't notice. How did you print this one? Did you enter something?
Yeah, based on that two student, it is making the this calculation. So calculation is this much big. We have to understand this one, all this thing.
Yeah, correct. But and in console, what did you enter? It prints like the topper.
Yeah, that's fifth option fifth. This one. Sorry, sixth option six.
So how did can you print once again?
Okay, six and enter.
Oh, only. Oh, okay. You are enter numbering. Oh, okay. So I thought we were writing something different.
No, you just add two student and you just have to select the statistic. Then it will do all the calculation.
So in that case, if I enter 4, I can update it.
Yeah, you can. Yeah, this is for updation.
Okay, got it. Yeah, now I got it. Yeah.
Yeah, its number is given here. Like you can
Yeah, based on number.
wait a number. Yeah.
It's looking to the number, not to any other code.
Yeah. It is to choose the option. You have to enter the number.
Correct. Yeah, now I got it. Okay, so
That's why it's saying enter your choice.
okay, yes.
Okay, just give me 1 minute. Okay, I'm coming.
Yeah, sure, sure.
Can you hear me now?
Yes, I do.
Okay. Yeah, so let's understand the logic now. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So logics, yeah, I told you this is for assuming. Okay. This is for, you can say, assuming some data. Okay. Assuming.
Okay.
This is assuming, and second is student zero name is also, yeah, topper data is also there, assuming. Okay, assuming.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
So this is assumption. Okay, then it will go for further checking. This one. So now it will start from first student. Okay, it will start going from first student to last student. We are doing for loop, and okay, so basically they are taking one of the variable total, and in which that particular student marks is will be added in this variable. Okay, you can see the first student marks is added here. Okay,
Okay. It's for first student. Okay.
yeah, for now it is for first student. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
and then we will, now this is comparison. Now here we are finding the highest marks in this code. Okay,
Okay.
so for example, the first student is Wahida and second is Saurabh.
Mm-hmm.
So
Mm-hmm.
first student, which is Wahida, marks will be compared with the Wahida only. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
why? Because first student was Wahida, and your marks was the highest, right, in the beginning.
Mm-hmm.
So
Mm-hmm.
your marks will be compared with your marks. Okay. Now you have to understand this logic. This logic is
Mm-hmm.
swapping logic. So your highest, your marks is compared with your marks. If
Mm-hmm.
that student marks is greater than this highest assume marks,
Mm-hmm.
okay, if your marks is really big than the highest which we got, okay, let's assume your marks is highest. Okay,
Okay.
then your marks will be considered at the new highest. Okay, let me do one of the little bit of, let me do a little bit of drawing, then I can compare. It will be very easy for you to understand. Yes, so suppose I am having 12 and 14, and I am having 16 and 10 and then 19, like this. Okay, so you are assuming 12 as the first highest. Your highest is 12. Okay,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
first. Then you compare 12 with the 14. Which is highest?
I cannot hear you. Can you hear?
Oh wait, can you hear me now?
Your voice is breaking.
Just 1 minute. Just 1 minute.
So I don't have your voice. I don't know if you're speaking.
Hello, can you hear me now?
Yeah, I can hear now. Let's continue.
Okay. Yeah, so I'm saying now among 12 and 14, which is highest?
Of course, 14.
So your 14 will be the new highest, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Now next, you will compare 14 and 16.
Okay.
So which is highest?
Of course, 16. So
16.
this means like there are different money subjects, then that's why it's only for myself, for one student, the
No, it's not.
comparison.
It's not. The highest is never for one student. It's keep on comparing and whatever value it is getting, the highest one.
Oh, okay. Okay.
So the 16 will be compared to 10, which is highest.
Mm-hmm. Of course, 16.
Yes. So are you able to understand what I'm trying to say?
Okay, yeah, now it's going 16 is going to be compared to 19.
Yes, right. So basically, we have to assume any number, right, in the beginning. So then you will compare. Okay. So if your mark is really big than the total highest which we got,
Mm-hmm.
then your marks will be the set to the highest. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Correct.
Yeah, your marks will be the highest as considered, and your name will be the topper. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
And if lowest also it will calculate. If your marks is lower than the lowest,
Mm-hmm.
then your marks will be considered as the lowest. Are you able to understand?
Yes, yeah.
Okay. So these two things, highest and lowest, will be calculated for each student one by one. Okay.
Okay.
After this, it will done for one student. They will calculate the yeah, after it doing for all the students, suppose there is 10 student, it will do for 10 student, and maybe total whatever. So for example, total okay, so for
Mm-hmm.
example,
So in this example, we are actually looking for average, correct?
not only average, but
Y-
not only the average, but we are also looking
Yeah,
for this highest,
yeah, correct.
lowest, and topper name also, if you see
Correct.
that.
Yeah, that's also, yeah, that's correct. That's also, but since it's only for one student, so the more it makes sense, we are looking for the average between all numbers.
We cannot say that, because see, this for loop is going
Uh-huh.
one one by one, it is going for all the students, no matter how many students we have.
Oh,
We
okay.
can have
Okay, it's
10
not only.
student, 20, 30, as many as students. So
Okay, yeah.
yeah, for student in students, so it will go for do this for all the
Mm-hmm.
students. Okay.
Yes.
And are you able to understand this logic? What is
Yeah, that
plus
one I
equal?
understand.
Plus equal.
Yeah, so that means a total can be like the total plus equal means that the total can be assigned to the equal sign as well.
Yeah, let me make you understand this is with the easy logic. Suppose this is the total variable. This one is the total variable. Okay. So
Uh-huh,
basically what
uh-huh.
they are doing, they are in storing the 12, 14, 16, 10, 19. This is what they are doing
Mm.
here in this
Mhm.
one. Plus equal means it will keep adding all the student marks in the total.
Yes.
You know, this is what they are
Yes.
doing.
Yeah.
Okay,
Mhm.
so this code which I have highlighted, suppose there is 10 student, then this code which is highlighted is will run 10 times. Okay,
Okay.
this will run 10 times if there is 10 students. Okay,
Correct. Yes. Yes.
and then they will calculate the average. So how basically we calculate the average student,
Mhm.
average marks of all students?
So we get the total, then we divide it into the number of
Yes,
student.
total means what? Total marks of all student.
Yeah. All if there are
And
10
this is
students of
number
all
of
10
student.
students.
And this is number of students.
Yes.
Okay, so this is how we calculate the average.
Okay.
So are you able to understand this one?
Yes, I do. I do.
Okay, so after doing all of this, you will be having the highest score, the lowest score, okay, and
Mhm.
the your average marks, and you will be having the name of the topper. Okay.
Okay. What does the round does there?
Yeah, round. Let me tell you what is round. Basically, you are doing round till 2, right? So round 2 means suppose your values is something like this. Okay, let me write it here. Suppose your average is something like this. Average is 88 point, a lot big number. Okay. So what round will do? Round will only
Oh,
show
got it.
two
Yeah.
values.
So
It,
that's the
it will remove
the
all this.
basic round of math.
Yeah. It will remove all the last values. It will just
It
show
will be
two
6
values. Two values.
instead of 5.
Yeah, you can
Yes.
say it will just show the two values of the last one.
Correct. Yes.
Round basically meaning, yeah, even it will remove all the values after the decimal, only two will be remaining. And also it will do something like that. For example, if
Correct.
this values is suppose 60, which is above 0.50, so it will
Yeah,
make
got
it
it. Yes.
89, right? It will make it 89 after rounding off, right? This is round.
Correct. Yeah, because it's above 5. Yes.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Okay. Okay, so yeah, this is,
Yeah, got it. Yeah.
so cities, it will print the cities, unique cities. So cities set we are already having, right? Cities set. So once you once you show that set, it will be having its unique all the cities, right? This is cities.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Okay, so this logic is already completed, and you are able to understand this one, this statistic, right? So this logic is almost end.
Yes.
Just 1 minute. Let me write. This will go to all the data and
For student and
will
student, total
find out highest, lowest, topper,
Yes.
highest, lowest, topper, and average. Right? So like that. Right? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Correct.
Can you hear me?
Yes. Yeah, I do. Can you hear
Okay.
me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Yes, I do.
Okay, next is
Yes, I can hear you. Okay.
the exit.
Okay.
Exit.
Exit.
Yeah, exit. Okay, so we have to understand the exit. If the choice 7 is 7, then you have to print thank you
Mm-hmm.
and directly the break.
What's LF in the beginning?
Elif.
It's SF.
Yeah, it's else if. Else if,
Mm-hmm.
why? Because for all choices we did the else if. See, everything is in else if,
Correct. Yeah.
all the choices. Okay, and one more thing.
Correct. Yeah. Oh, okay. Yeah.
We did this break, right? But we usually do break in the any kind of loop. Can you tell me which loop is this break is breaking now?
Mm-hmm.
Can you tell me which loop is getting break by this break?
Whenever it finds its answer, when it's true.
No. I'm asking which loop it is breaking. This one.
Uh, it should. I don't know. Like I think I don't understand your question.
Okay, let
So
me let me
is it
ask
not?
again.
Uh-huh.
See, you can see the break here, right? This one.
Correct. Yes.
So which loop it is breaking? This break.
This break. Okay. So since it's we are exiting, we are going to exit. In
But for
that.
exit, how we can like yeah, that is fine. But this is breaking some loop. Which loop it is breaking? Do you know? This all code is in one loop. If you remember in the beginning,
Yes.
all this code is running in one loop, which is this while true.
Correct.
And do
So it's
you
exiting the while loop. Okay.
yes, it is existing while loop. So
Oh,
if this while loop is keep on running, you know what happens? It will keep you asking the question. See this. You can see here. If I say if I say 2, now it is showing the student and it will again
uh-huh.
showing the option. Can you see that?
Correct. Yeah. Yeah.
If you see second option again, it is still doing the same. You can see, wait, let me do the sixth for a change. Yeah, see,
Uh-huh.
after doing
Okay.
statistic, again it is showing the options. Why it is showing again and again?
Because we have not exit yet. If we
Yes,
enter
because,
7, it's going to exit.
yeah, because whole code is inside the while loop, and this too is
Yeah,
true,
correct.
and this is running forever until
Okay,
you are not adding any break
correct.
for particularly this while loop. So at last we get the break here for choice 7, so it will break, okay?
Yes.
And for all these ellipse, there is one else also. If if the number is not among 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6, 7, if number is something
Uh-huh.
like beyond it,
Uh-huh.
then it
So
will
let's
say,
enter 8. Uh-huh.
yeah, so suppose if you enter 8, suppose you enter 10.
Okay.
So what does it say?
Yeah, invalid choice, correct.
This one, right? Last one.
Yeah, yeah,
So that is for the invalid one, right?
correct. Yes.
Yeah. So this is for that this kind of program, and I will share this with you, okay? This code with
Yeah.
you, and you can understand this code. And I can give you one small mini project to you also, and it will be easy one. And you
Mm-hmm.
can also try it, and you can also make it, and you can also upload it to the GitHub. Okay? Do you use
Okay.
GitHub?
So, and no, I don't have any GitHub account.
Oh, you should make one, I think.
Okay,
In
I think,
U
yeah,
in
you're right.
US in US they do not ask for GitHub.
No, they don't. So
Oh, okay.
it depends on your position. I don't know. It depends on project as well. So far
Yeah,
not,
correct.
but maybe in future they will ask.
Basically, yeah, it depends upon your position. Suppose if you're a
Yes.
developer, then definitely they
Yeah,
will
it's
be
a
asking
must.
for the, yeah, GitHub.
Yeah.
So it's better that you can make the GitHub, and I will
Yeah,
share
I
this
was
code with
uh,
you on the GitHub only. This code.
then I will create one
Yeah,
GitHub
yeah, you have to
account. I
create
believe
one.
I need it now.
Yes, yes. It will be better for you to, and that is very
Uh-huh.
easy also. You can share the code. You can. So basically, GitHub. Why we use the GitHub? GitHub is used basically for showcasing your projects which you have done to your
So
employer or to the people who wants to learn. So it is very good for your profile.
so it's normally the projects which I have done personally, not any my work project, correct?
Yeah, but work project basically you can put it there also if your company allows it. You can
Yeah,
put
my
that
company
also.
never allows.
Yeah, yeah. If the
Yeah,
company do not allow, then you cannot put it there. So
yeah,
if something, so for example, if you have learned Python and some project with the Python, you have done it by yourself or you have learned from me, then you can make it and upload it to the GitHub so that in the future, if somebody asks you, have you made anything, you know, then you have to show
correct.
that GitHub to him, that project,
Mm-hmm.
that yes, I
Mm-hmm.
have done it.
Yeah, correct.
Yeah,
That's a good idea.
yes, even in your resume, you have to put the link of the GitHub so that your employer can see that you actually worked for it.
Yeah, like they normally they ask, but they don't like take it serious. Like if I say I don't have, then it's okay in
Yeah,
here.
but
Maybe
if
in future.
but if you say you have done some project, then they will definitely ask, show me. So how will you
Yeah,
show them?
correct. Yeah, that will be a plus. Yeah.
Yes, you will not show them in your laptop. That time you just have to share the link which is in the mentioned in the your resume. So that
Okay,
will be a
correct.
plus
Yeah.
point so that they can basically they see whether the developer is genuine or not. If they're fake, then they will just say that I have done it, but actually they have not. But if they are genuine developers, then they have done it also and they have uploaded to the GitHub even. That is
Yeah,
the
correct.
difference.
Yeah, and one thing more, since companies in here are not allowing to share their code, so isn't it like if I do my own, doesn't look like fake something?
uh, they do not allow to share, you're saying?
Yeah, I mean, like you're never allowed to share anything from our company outside the company.
Yeah, because that project is particularly for that company, so you
Correct,
can
yeah.
you can only share, maybe you can what you have learned, or you what you have done by yourself.
Okay, that means I can make my own mini projects and like I have
Yes,
worked something like this.
yes. For example, suppose you are learning testing with the Python, and suppose you have learned some of the library like Playwright or something like PyTest. Okay, so if you have
Hmm.
learned it, then if you are doing any project on that module, you can do it, and then that code can be uploaded to the GitHub.
Correct, yes.
So everybody can. It's same like Facebook and Instagram, but in Facebook and Instagram we share the photos, that is a profile. But GitHub is for coders. There you share the codes as a profile.
Correct. Yeah, correct. Okay, that's good. Yeah.
So yeah,
Yeah.
this is almost same. And okay, I will share this code with you. Okay, this
Yeah,
one.
please. Yeah. And
And
then I'm going to create a GitHub account. Then I believe until I don't have a GitHub account, I won't be able to use your code, or I will
yeah,
be
you
open.
yeah
I
at least you can see that, but you won't be
correct.
able to access it or download it. To download it,
Correct.
that code you have to make the ID.
Yeah, correct. Yes. Yeah.
Yeah. So in the next class, let me share. Last class, yeah, next class is we are having 10. Just 1 minute. Yes. I will share this whole notes which I am having right now with me. Okay, I will share this also for so that in
Okay.
future you can learn from this. Yeah,
Yeah, yeah. Thank you so much. Yeah. I
yeah,
was thinking to ask. Yeah.
yeah. I will share it. I will share it.
Okay.
Yeah, bonus challenge, which is homework. After completing this project, you can do this feature by yourself, like search student by course. Okay, this is the task you can add, and display students with the marks greater than 80. This is the features you can add. Count students in each course. You can try this. Add roll number, and it must be unique. You can do that. Sort students by marks, like highest to lowest. This is very little bit tricky. This one. And then save student is in a text file.
Okay.
Wow, this is text file is like, have we done file handling? We have not. Yes. So
No, not yet.
whenever we will do the file handling, I
Uh-huh.
will show you how to store your data in the txt file. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Great.
Yeah. Just 1 minute. So basically, at that time you can store all the datas in a different file, not in the Python, but in a different txt file. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And then load student data from a txt file when the program starts. Yes, even you can read that txt file and bring that data to our Python. Okay, so you should try all the like something which you can do. You can try these logics by yourself. And if you are getting any doubt, you can ask me, or you can leave something which I have not taught yet, like this, and rest of the things you can try, right?
Yeah, the other ones we did, yeah.
Yeah. So in the next class, we will do the Python functions. Okay, the
Okay.
basics, and then we will do the advanced in the later phase. Fine.
Okay, got it. Yeah.
So do you have any doubt to ask me?
Not now.
Okay. Okay. So do you know this the playwright, one of the playwright module of Python? Do you know this one?
I
The
have heard, but I've never used it. I think developers are using it.
yeah, playwright. This one.
Is it part of Python, you said?
No, no, no. Actually, it is not part of either. Why I asked you, because one of the students of I know wants to learn this one. Okay, playwright
Okay.
using
Uh-huh.
the Python. So
Okay.
I have to read this. So I thought if you also need it, you can tell me. In the future if you need this. So I was just asking you because it is a part of testing also, I guess. Yes,
Uh,
it is part of testing, I guess.
okay. So yeah, so I need like why and when it's used, and if it's for myself, yeah, definitely I want to learn it.
Yeah, yeah, I will tell you. Basically, you create specifically what about need to end testing. It is for end-to-end testing.
Just
Playwright,
share this
suppose.
link to me. I
Yeah, yeah,
will
yeah,
search.
yeah, yeah. I will share the details. Yes, I will share the details of this. Yeah,
Uh-huh.
correct. All right. So yeah, we will meet tomorrow now. All right.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
Yeah. So
Thank you so much. Thank you,
yeah,
teacher.
welcome, welcome. Have a good day.
Mhm. Have a good day. Bye.